Hi, welcome to FoodForLove channel. I'm a working mom with a 1-year-old. Like every other mom, I have a busy schedule juggling between my own life and my little one. But I believe in the importance of giving our young children the healthiest and most delicious food options possible. Because believe it or not, our taste in food was actually formed in our childhood. Through this channel, I want to share some of my easiest, most successful and healthiest recipes that can fit into your busy mom schedule and feed your little ones. Today, the recipe I want to share is rainbow risotto. It is one of the food that I most frequently make after Jacob reached 1 year old because it's so easy and healthy at the same time. These are the ingredients we will need. Usually I will have 3 to 4 kinds of vegetables, ideally of different color. Today I have tomatoes, rainbow carrots, and some baby zucchini. I also have a bowl of rinsed rice. Our family like to use jasmine rice. You can also add in some quinoa. For protein, I have some minced chicken and an egg. You can switch chicken with protein that you like, such as turkey and beef. And sometimes I even use some seafood. First of all, we need to chop up these vegetables to sizes that are suitable for our little ones. Since Jacob is 15 months old, he doesn't have as big a chance of choking as a baby. I usually cut the vegetables into the size of a coin. The good thing is that the rainbow carrots and zucchini are already in baby sizes, so I don't need to do too much cutting. I really like this dish because I can get my baby to eat all different kinds of veggies that are really good for him. Now I have the rice in a pot. Add it with 4 bowls of water. Then we will mix all the vegetables and chicken into the pot and turn on the highest heat. Close the lid and wait for it to boil. Now it's been about 10 minutes. The soup is close to boiling. Wash it closely, and when it boils, turn down the fire to mid to low level and open the lid. Stir the soup thoroughly. Then close the lid halfway to avoid it from spilling out. Also make sure the ingredients are fully cooked and softened, especially the carrots. Stir the soup from time to time to avoid sticking. After simmering on low heat for 10 minutes, add the egg and scramble it in the soup. Stir to mix all the ingredients evenly again. Let it simmer for another 10 minutes. Continue to stir often until everything reaches a nice texture. Rice fully hydrated, veggies cooked softly, chicken and egg mixed with rice. Now a fragrant, beautiful rainbow risotto is ready. This can serve as Jacob's lunch for the following week, which works perfectly on the days when I need to get to work and can't really cook for him. Usually when I'm prepping for next week, I will serve Jacob the freshest portion of the risotto that I just made. And as always, he's very excited. I didn't add salt at this stage, but if your little one is over 1 year old, we can gradually introduce salt into their diets. Of course, please consult your pediatrician first. If your child is still young, make sure to smash the carrots a little bit more using a spoon before feeding them to avoid choking. If you and your little one enjoyed this rainbow risotto, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you and bon appétit!